Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis here, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures in Chicago. Happy Friday to everybody. Talked to you about the grain markets a little bit this morning. Corn's down 1, soybeans are up 5, wheat is up 5. The corn market. Monday we had the WASDE report, and the carryout number on corn was under 1.5 billion bushels, 1.464. That's an eye-popping number. That's very low. And if you and I had been talking about this report a week ago and said that was the number going to be out, corn we would say would be up 5, 10, 20 cents. Well, that day on Monday it wasn't. It was down a penny. So it's not so much the news, but how the market responds to the news. So, and just saying that exports in corn yesterday morning, the third week in a row of very good export sales. I get on this program and I say low prices are the cure for low prices. So we're seeing this happen. Corn's at a 3.5-year low. We got the best quality, the best logistics to deal with, a fair practice in trade, and the world's coming here and buying corn from us. So I think this is going to continue. The next big event is certainly our planting here in the spring in North America. And December corn is above March corn in the price. So this is going to entice farmers to plant more corn than anybody's talking about right here, right now. So we'll keep an eye on that. Soybeans. The fundamentals on soybeans are getting stale. The record South American crop, the demand from China, but the technicals are continuing to be strong. We're above moving averages. March soybean meal, they don't want to go down. Yesterday, export sales, soybeans was half of what the trades were expecting. Soybean meal, a marketing year low. And this is bearish news. And what did the market do? Soybean meal up $10, soybeans up 20 cents. And even yesterday, soybeans up 20 and corn trading. A lot of times corn would be up a nickel or a dime, and it's not. So tale of two, soybeans really strong, corn, and the farmers are selling corn, and they don't have the soybeans to sell. So that's what's going on. Front page in the Financial Times this week, the Argentina farmers hoarding soybeans. I've been talking about that to you every week, and the Argentine farmer has sold a lot of soybeans in the past week. So as they should, they've got a harvest coming on board. They got to get these soybeans out of there and get ready for the ones they're going to harvest now. So also the emerging markets, that crisis that we went through, the Argentina peso seems to be stabilizing. So the Argentina farmer taking advantage of this and selling soybeans out. This is similar to the corn market that we have. The U.S. farmer has all this corn stored. And this spring, when we get into planting, the farmer, they focus on planting and field work when they do that. And if they can get in the field and get everything going and get their pace and get their corn planted, then they're going to start selling corn. And that can be bearish for corn as well here in the spring. So we'll talk to you about that. The wheat market, don't be short wheat is my commentary. And I've been saying that every week, and I'll say it to you this morning. One of my strengths, I believe, is I come from the trading floor. I got a job in 1980, and the rest is history, is what I like to say. And the million-dollar question was always the local trader here in Chicago, such a great liquidity, and are the computer screens going to be as liquid as the local traders were here in Chicago? And I think the answer is yes. We've got the whole world coming in here trading our markets. That's good for all of us. Liquidity is our friend, and it's only going to get better and better and better. So embrace our markets and learn these. And we have a lot of tools to help you. So call me. I'd love to hear from you. We'll talk about that. Another fallacy about the local trader, a lot of people thought the local traders here in Chicago never lost any money, and that's not true at all. So, but as we grow in these markets, the whole world, it's really, really fascinating. So, and I have a 5-year chart of the CRB on my desk this morning. We've broken a trend line here. So something is going on. The stock market's going higher. Crude oil's above 100. Gold has rallied from 1,200 to 1,300 here in the last month and a half. Soybeans don't want to go down. Pay attention to this CRB. And we'll keep talking about this each week. So have a great weekend and great trading. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.